Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a quiz, a test or exam, or we call it checklist for your online program. This is a great tool to check if your students has finished all the steps or if they get the know all the knowledge you want to teach them, okay? Especially if your online program is created for giving them the certificate. It is very important for you to know like if the students are qualified to get your certificate, right? So now I'm going to show you the examples here. For example, now this area you can see if you have questions and you can click multiple choices. So this is a multiple choices question. This is just a single question. So if you choose one, you cannot choose the other. So this is single choices. You can also have questions people can fill in the answers, and then you can have also the numbers of it. For example, you can fill in 3 or 4 the numbers here, and then you can also write something like and the answers you want that. So this is the short answers, this is the numbers, and this is also the choices. This is the same. So now I'm going to show you how it was created. Okay, so when you go back to your program, then you will see you have the when you come to your settings for your content, all of these are your content, right? So under each sections, you can always add a step called quiz. So this is the step called quiz. Okay, so now we're going to create a simple quiz so you know how it works. Then you just click add step, add quiz. We can just simple write test. So now is the question area. This is a title and this belongs to introduction area, and now you have the questions here, and you have the gradings here if you want them to finish like 80% so they can pass the grade, so they can get the can be granted as the certificate. Then you can definitely fill in how much you want them to get correct answers. And your students can always retake your quiz, so you don't need to worry if you didn't get enough knowledge. They just go through your teaching content again and to do the quiz again. Okay, so you can say, okay, I can do like 70%, then they can get a certificate. Then you just fill in here simply. Okay, and then for different sections, you can set up different requirement also. Okay, now let's come to our question area. Then we go to here, add questions. It will show this empty field with all the form field here. And on the left, you see all the possibilities you can add on. So open-ended, that is the content your students can fill in the text. Okay, so you write your questions here, and then you can fill in the correct answer or not. But if this open-ended text, you don't need to set up any correct answer here. You can they can fill in whatever they want to fill in to have open answer. Okay, and if you want to have add a text, that is the text going to show under here. For example, if you want to remind him some special notice, or be aware or whatever. Okay, here you can show up here. Okay, so when you are ready with this one, you simply just close this one, and if you have similar questions, you just can click on this one, duplicate this one, so you can, and then you change your questions and your text here. If you don't need it, just turn off it. Then the second one is number. Number is the one they can only choose the numbers 20, 11, those numbers. So we write questions here. This one you can simply set up your answer. For example, you write number correct answer is 10. If they fill in other numbers, they will get a wrong warning. Okay, and this is the 10 will have and then you can write your feedback. Well done, that's correct, or sorry, that's incorrect. So this is the text you're going to show up if they fill in right or wrong. Okay, and then the next one is multiple choices. In this way, your students can choose more than one options, your questions. You have your questions, you add your options, and you add more options if you want, or if you think it's too much, you just remove. So this is very much depending on you, and you decide on which one is correct. If you choose this one correct, if they choose wrong one, they will show wrong message. That's not incorrect. That's not correct, something like that. Okay. Okay, so this is the multiple choice. And then you have the single choice also, which they can only choose one. Okay, so this one is multiple. You can choose 2 as the correct answer. This one, you can only choose 1 as the correct answer. So if you choose this one, you cannot choose the other one. Okay, so you choose the correct one and show them the feedback if this is correct or not. Okay, and then the next one is the file upload. This one is if, for example, if you require them to see, okay, if you want them to do the exercise on their desk and then fill in by their computers or something like that, you can choose the files you are accepting: a video, image, you can have audios, you can have documents. All of this you can choose, and you can just click on that one, and then they will upload the files you require them to upload. Okay, and you can also choose like how many files they can upload to. Okay, so you can, for example, if you read 3, they can upload 3 files. That is basic all, and this one just some text in the headers. For example, if you put a header here, write a content here, just click and write text here. You can change it a bit bold and click all and write bold, and you can also add the text here if you want to explain or introduction about how this intro, how it works with this quiz. And that is all. And when you are having these buttons here, you don't need to worry about the design. Everything will be following your design in your website. Okay, so that's the quiz, and then when you're ready, simply save it. Then all the quizzes here, title, intro, and things will up here. Okay, and then you simply save it. If you preview it, you will be able to see in this participant view in the students portal. That was under the introduction. And then we have the under introduction, we have this test 1 we have created ourselves, right? You see here there's questions, and then they have the numbers, and they have options and upload files, and the color has been changed based on your website settings and options. Okay, so that is all how you create your quiz on your online program. That is all.